If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last lesson, we learned how to say, "Okay, I'll let you know when breakfast is ready." 好的，早餐做好了，我就告诉你。In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say, "You are welcome." 不用客气。Let's break down this sentence into 2 words and 1 phrase. We are very familiar with the first one. 不, that means no. Please repeat after me. 不, 不, 不. The second word is 用, that means use. Please repeat after me. 用, 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 用. The last one is a phrase, 客气, that means polite, being polite or courteous. Please repeat after me. 客气, 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 客气. So the entire sentence means there's no need to be too polite. That means you're welcome in Chinese. So please repeat after me. 不用客气。不用客气。不用客气。不用客气。Now next time, if someone say thank you to you in Chinese, you can say 不用客气。So far, our dialogue looks like this. What's for breakfast? How about some eggs, milk, orange juice, and bread? That sounds great. My breath smells. I'm going to brush my teeth first. Okay, I'll let you know when breakfast is ready. Thank you. You're welcome. It's time to practice in Chinese. Let's practice 1 sentence at a time. Please repeat after me. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。好的。早餐做好了，我就告诉你。谢谢。不用客气。Let's do it one more time. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。好的。早餐做好了，我就告诉你。谢谢。不用客气。Let's do a role play. The sentences in blue are for the man. The sentences in white are for the lady. Let's get started. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。好的，早餐做好了，我就告诉你。谢谢。不用客气。Next, I'm going to read the entire dialogue all together for you to advance your practice. 早餐吃什么？ 一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？
听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻，我先去刷牙。
好的，早餐做好了，我就告诉你。
谢谢。
不用客气。Wow, you can speak such a long dialogue in Chinese. It's impressive. Don't forget to practice a few more times after class. In the next lesson, we are going to learn how to say thank you for breakfast. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and share this video. And better yet, subscribe if you haven't done so. I appreciate your support. See you next time.